What's going on, guys? It's Scott Harrison from Nanaimo Mitsubishi, and I'm back again with Pick of the Week. This week I got something cool. It's a 2020 Subaru BRZ SportTech RS. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. I can hardly get into it, so let's go take a look. So this BRZ SportTech means that it's going to come equipped with a ton of features that are going to make this vehicle perform amazing on the track. You're going to have sport tune suspension, brakes by Brembo, plus you're going to have things like a spoiler, full body kit that's put around this vehicle. You guys got to see inside. It's a 6-speed manual, plus the price. So being the SportTech model, you're going to get beautiful leather bolstered seats with Alcantara down the center of them. You're going to come up here, you're going to have a beautiful screen here with built-in navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've got your 6-speed manual transmission. You've got all your traction controls. You've even got a track mode on this, heated seats. This beauty is stacked. The only thing that makes it better is that price. Well, I haven't figured out how to get out of this thing, but you know what? Someone else needs to come take this car. It's obviously a little small for me. I've got this vehicle priced at $37,998. That's my special deal for you guys. You got to come see Scott and Nanaimo Mitsubishi. This vehicle won't be here long.